In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your website, how to get a domain name and hosting. Normally, you're supposed to pay for your domain, and also you're supposed to pay for your hosting. It's not too that expensive, but for tutorial sake, maybe you are just learning and you want to practice, how to host your website and build your website online. You need a free domain and free hosting in order to practice before you start doing job for others. So it is this is what I have Pension here. This is the website. I will send you to the link. No, I will send you guys the link. So it's called Pension. So it gives you free domain and free hosting. I already have an account, so what I'll do now, I will just try and create another one for tutorial sake. So you can see I've signed up. Okay. Select your country. So I'll quickly just fill this form now. Okay. Click Nigeria. Hit continue. So it's very easy. Just click, just like the way you normally sign up on your social media and other websites. Just sign up normally with your email, your Gmail account. So it will take you straight to your dashboard. It's loading. Okay. So now we are at the dashboard already. So what you do now is you can see what we have here. So welcome to Pension. So this is your dashboard. Create new site. So you hit on this, create new site. I think the network is kind of slow. Okay, your site name. So we just put a site name here. Let me say okay, let's say new life one. Okay, hit on United States automatic, so click continue. The network is very bad here. You can see it's still loading. Alright, we are here already. So what we are using now is these are the CMS that is available. So we have Drupal, we have Drupal 7, we have WordPress, which is the most popular CMS in the world. About 30% of the internet website is built with WordPress. So you know what 30%, you know what that means. So we're going to deploy WordPress. So you wait for that, it will take some time to load. Just follow exactly what I did here, step by step. It's not difficult to understand. I will show you how to install WordPress. We're installing WordPress now. We'll deploy the WordPress from here. Then the next stage we'll install WordPress, and I will tell you how to. I will show you how to start creating your site from there. I think it's loading. Okay, you can see we are done with it. So can see what it says. It says visit your function site dashboard. So you click on this. The site is not that really fast, so just wait for it to load. Just be patient. Alright, so this is the dashboard. One thing I want you to notice here is here you can access most of your database, your database file. So most of the things that you will need, you can access them here. This, if you are going live, you are not doing that now. You didn't pay for it, it's free. So you are not going live. This site admin, if you want to visit the admin site, then the site development. There's nothing here, so we just click on site admin because we are not getting anything up. So click on site admin. Alright, so okay, click on English, click on continue. Site title. Wow, this is the site title. Okay, it's a new live one. Okay, no spacing. This is the name of your site. Username. That's your username. This is your password. So what I want you to do is so you're going to copy this password because you need to log in at any time. So copy this password. Also remember this username. Then you can put in your email. So that's the email address. Don't forget this your username and don't forget this your password. So it said install WordPress. So install WordPress. Save. So now you see what's happening here now. You have to log in. So let's say for example you don't remember the password. So you need to save it. So you won't be able to log in. Notice I copied my password, so that's why I was able to post it. So now this is your dashboard. So I finally install WordPress. It's online. So what you do now, what you do now is first of all go to login, go to add new. In order to get your template, maybe you get you to build a website. Especially if you are learning. So I'm going to search for Astra. Search for Astra. We are going to install Astra plugin. So click on install. Then activate. So you scroll down, come to C library. From here you can get access to different plugins that we're going to use to build a website. You have access to templates, like really customized templates. You don't need to build from scratch. So click on build now. You can see we have Elementor, we have the block editor. So Elementor is one of the best. We are using Elementor. This is a page builder. So all these templates that you are seeing can be customized with Elementor. So they have premium templates, and these ones that you see now, these are free templates. So this is how you create your website. The purpose of this tutorial is just to show you how to create your free domain and free hosting. Yeah. So in other videos, I'll teach you how to build your website from scratch. And if you want to do it in the easy way, you just click on one of these templates and then you start building from there. These are the premium templates. You have to pay to make use of them. You can click on this template and since you are using Elementor as your editor, so you need to